Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how the body processes blood sugar, also known as glucose. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, helps glucose get into cells to be used for energy. In diabetes, this process is impaired. This happens either because the body doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use the insulin it makes effectively. High levels of glucose in the blood can lead to serious health problems over time, including heart disease, vision loss, and kidney disease. There are several types of diabetes, each with different causes and management strategies. We will break down the most common types: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes, along with prediabetes and other specific types. Prediabetes is a condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed as diabetes. This stage is a critical warning sign indicating an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Lifestyle changes can often prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in those with prediabetes. Many people with prediabetes do not experience any symptoms. It's often discovered through routine blood tests. Common risk factors include being overweight, having a family history of diabetes, and leading a sedentary lifestyle. Early intervention can reverse prediabetes. This typically involves adopting a healthier diet, increasing physical activity, and losing excess weight. By taking action early, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of developing type 2 diabetes and its associated complications. Type 1. Diabetes is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This type of diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults. People with type 1 diabetes must take insulin injections or use an insulin pump daily. Regular checkups with healthcare providers are necessary to monitor blood sugar levels and potential complications. Type 2. Diabetes is the most common form, affecting millions worldwide. It occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or the pancreas doesn't produce enough, linked to lifestyle factors like being overweight, inactivity, and unhealthy diet. Managing it involves diet, exercise, medication, and regular monitoring. With proper management, many can lead healthy, active lives. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy and usually goes away after birth. It occurs when the body cannot produce enough insulin. High blood sugar can lead to complications for both mother and baby. Risk factors include being overweight and having a family history of diabetes. Managing it involves monitoring blood sugar, a healthy diet, and regular activity. Women with gestational diabetes are at higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes later. In addition to the more common types, there are other specific forms of diabetes caused by different factors. One such type is monogenic diabetes, which results from a mutation in a single gene. This type is rare and often diagnosed in children and young adults. Another specific type is cystic fibrosis-related diabetes, or CFRD, which occurs in people with cystic fibrosis. Steroid-induced diabetes can occur in people taking high doses of glucocorticoids, a type of steroid medication. These medications can increase blood sugar levels, leading to diabetes. Each type requires a tailored management plan to effectively control blood sugar levels and prevent complications. The causes of diabetes vary depending on the type, but they generally involve a combination of genetic and environmental factors. For type 1 diabetes, the exact cause is unknown, but it is believed to involve an autoimmune reaction that destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Genetic factors and environmental triggers, such as viruses, may play a role. Type 2. Diabetes is primarily caused by lifestyle factors. Being overweight, leading a sedentary lifestyle, and having an unhealthy diet are significant risk factors. Gestational diabetes is caused by hormonal changes during pregnancy that make it harder for the body to use insulin effectively. Other specific types of diabetes, such as monogenic diabetes and CFRD, are caused by genetic mutations or underlying medical conditions. Understanding these causes is crucial for developing effective prevention and management strategies. Managing diabetes effectively involves a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and medication. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help control blood sugar levels. It's also important to limit sugary foods and drinks. Regular physical activity helps the body use insulin more effectively and can aid in weight management. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Medications, including insulin and oral drugs, may be necessary to help manage blood sugar levels. It's important to take medications as prescribed and monitor blood sugar levels regularly. Keeping track of blood sugar levels can help you and your healthcare provider make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Support from healthcare professionals, family, and friends can make a significant difference in managing diabetes. In conclusion, diabetes is a chronic condition that requires ongoing management to prevent complications. Understanding the different types of diabetes and their causes is crucial for effective management. Whether you have type 1, type 2, gestational, or another specific type of diabetes, a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and medication is key. Prediabetes serves as a critical warning sign, and early intervention can prevent the progression to type 2 diabetes. With the right support and management strategies, people with diabetes can lead healthy, active lives. Regular checkups with healthcare providers, support from family and friends, and a commitment to self-care are essential components of effective diabetes management. Stay informed, stay active, and take control of your health. Please like, comment, and share this video to people that it might help. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel